and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I prep and soak my fruits for my black cake or rum cake. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some raisins, some currants. I will be using some dates, a little bit of cherries. I have here some prunes, and here I have some orange peel, lemon peel, and I have 2 bay leaves. I will also be using some cinnamon sticks and some cloves. And for the rum, because we have to soak these fruits in some rum and wine, I have some Bacardi rum, I have some red wine, and I'll be using some whiskey. You can use any rum of your choice, it really doesn't matter, and any wine that you like. So basically what I'll be doing is adding all of the fruits to a large bowl and mix well. Next, I'll add the lemon peel, orange peel, the bay leaves, the cloves, and the cinnamon sticks. Then I will start adding my rum, my wine, and my whiskey. What you want to do really is just let the rum and stuff cover the fruits. So we will add, you could add as much or as little as you like. You know, if you like a lot of rum, you can add a lot of that. If you don't, you add less and you just add some wine. Or if you don't like alcohol, this could also be done with no alcohol. All you have to do is add some prune juice or some grape juice and let your fruit soak. This is usually best like if you soak it like for 1 year, but I don't have all that time right now, so this will be sitting for about 3 months. So I will let this sit for about 3 months, and I will keep checking it. You got to keep checking it, and if it looks like the liquid has evaporated, you have to add a little bit more liquid, whether it's rum, it's wine, it's juice, whatever you want to add, you just keep it moist. And I will catch you guys back in a few months, and I'll show you guys how I blend my fruits. Okay guys, so I am back and we are now in the month of December and we are close to, Christmas. And now I will show you guys how I blend my fruits for my black cake. So this is how it's looking so far. All of the lemon peel and the spices and stuff has nicely soaked into the fruits and give off that flavor. And this smells so good, you guys. So now we'll go ahead and blend the fruit. But what you want is for the fruit to be chunky. You want a chunky consistency. You don't want a smooth puree because you're not making a smoothie. And this is how it should be looking when you're done. You want it blended, but you still want a nice chunky consistency. Unless you like it smooth and pureed. If that's how you like it, go right ahead and do it that way. Okay guys, so this is how I prep and blend my fruits for my black cake. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!